Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Ade and you're watching She Slay TV. So today, yes, we are going to be taking a look at the one and only Sensational Instant Up and Down. It's pretty much one half a wig and one ponytail wrap that's included. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And y'all, I love this style. So what I'm doing right now is showing you guys all the colors that I have it in. And don't worry, I will be putting them on and showing you guys exactly how it looks on me. Now this is the style UD1. Y'all, I look a hot mess, but don't worry, I'm about to get myself together and do something with my hair and my makeup. Now I have to give a shout out to my two besties, Aya All Day, as well as my girl Shining Star. Y'all, they completely slayed this unit, for real. Now this is the part where I was trying to figure out how exactly am I about to make the tightest ponytail ever, because my hair is so thick. Lord have mercy. Okay, but as you can see, I found a way to stuff all that hair into a ponytail. Oh, look at the makeup. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, I completely hated this makeup. I was like, what in the world did I do to my face? But you know what? We just gotta do it because I gotta get this video done. Now this is the color T2 Berg, BG Burgundy, pretty much dark roots and burgundy hair. This is it just as a ponytail. This is it with the half a wig attached to it as well. And I am completely in love with this color and style. I love it, y'all. The texture is amazing. As you can see, I was like, yes, I am really feeling myself. Minus the makeup, I'm feeling this. Ooh, 613. Yes, y'all, this is the T2 613. My bad. T2 613. At first I was like, oh, hell no. But when I put it on, I was like, I actually like it because the roots are dark. So it blends in really, really, really well with my natural hair. I was really, really nervous at first, but you know what? I actually love how this color came out. This is it with the half a wig and the ponytail. As you saw earlier, that was just the ponytail. And the curls and texture is amazing. I'm surprised. Usually a 613 will change things. But this is actually gorgeous. And oh my goodness, yes, I had to put it in a bun just to see how it would look. And this is like the best style for this color. I am really feeling it. Okay, I just had to swing the ponytail on the other side just to see how it would look. And I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. I was really nervous about this color, but you know what? I'm satisfied. Good job. Okay, now this is the T2 Copper. I believe Shining Star reviewed this color. I absolutely love it because it's not too much, yet it's just enough. It's like a sugar spice color. I really, really do love it. Now this is the ponytail and the half a wig. And y'all already know, I will not get this in multiple colors if I was not feeling it. And this did not fail me at all. I absolutely love this style. And I'm feeling all the colors so far. At this point, I'm loving my lips, but I still can't get over my eyebrows and my eyeshadow. What was I thinking? Okay, it looks super cute in a bun. I'm starting to think maybe I like it in a bun more than I like it down in a ponytail. I don't know. To be honest, I just love everything about this unit. Okay, this is it without the half a wig and just the bun. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I am completely satisfied with the way this looked as well. Okay. I'm tired. I'm really tired at this point. But you know what? We got to get through this. We got to get through this. I want to show y'all all the colors, okay? So bear patient. Oh my goodness. Here's the gray. I really, really love this. This is called the T4 Ash Blonde. And y'all, this color is like a royal gray color. I really, really did not expect it to look like that. Because why didn't they just call it, you know, T2 gray or something? But they said ash blonde. Okay, cool. But it's really gray. And it's really cute. And look at those curls. Look at how it's sitting. Wow. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. I did not expect this color to come out like this. But it did. And I love it. Okay, so last but not least, I have the T227. And y'all already know this is like my go-to color. Every single wig that I get, the first color I get is black. The next thing I get is a 27. And then I get a burgundy. So I already knew I was going to love this one. And yes, it's not disappointing. Sensational. Y'all did a great job with this instant up and down two-piece. Yes, and this is pretty much it without the ponytail, because you can rock these as just half a wigs. I personally wouldn't just buy it just to rock it as a half a wig, because there's half a wigs out there that cost way less. This is around $25, $30, depending on if you get color or not. But it's just an option, just in case you don't want to rock the ponytail. I'm trying to lay it flat because I still have my ponytail underneath it. So this is just for showing you guys. This is not how I will wear it with the ponytail underneath it like that. I will do a low ponytail or something like that. But either way, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.